CVE 2026-46670 describes a critical SQL injection vulnerability discovered in YesWiki, a PHP-based wiki software. YesWiki is an open-source PHP wiki platform widely adopted by NGOs, municipalities, and collaborative communities, especially in France. Its Bazar module lets users build custom data entry forms stored in a MySQL database. The form import endpoint accepts external form definitions via HTTP POST, and in versions 4.6.3 and earlier, the BNID nature parameter flows directly into an unparameterized insert statement with no sanitization whatsoever. The attacker injects a crafted SQL payload through a vulnerable input field. The database blindly executes the query, exposing all user records and allowing the attacker to log in as any account, including the administrator. 3 immediate steps to protect your YesWiki instance. First, update via Composer. Run Composer Update to pull version 4.6.4 from Packagist. The patch replaces string concatenation in FormManager.create with a parameterized query. Second, if you cannot update immediately, restrict public access to the Bazar form import path in your Nginx or Apache configuration. Third, rotate your database credentials and audit the YesWiki as users table for any unauthorized accounts. Patch first. Credential rotation is meaningless without it. NextGuard monitors your PHP applications and Composer dependencies around the clock. The moment a critical CVE in Church CRM, Laravel, Symfony, or any PHP framework is disclosed, you get an instant alert. Don't wait for an attack. Visit NextGuardAHQ.com today.